Introducing the Ruud Endeavorline Achiever Plus Series RD17AZ Side-Discharge Universal Heat Pump. A universal solution, the RD17AZ works with nearly any HVAC system option, including Ruud EcoNet-enabled systems, Ruud non-communicating systems, or as a universal replacement with minimal alterations. Whether the requirement is a new system or replacement, it's the simple choice for home comfort. It's also compact for when space is a concern, with a footprint that's up to 50% smaller than traditional heat pumps. And it thrives in quiet places, with sound levels as low as 58 decibels. It decreases a home's environmental impact by delivering reduced emissions, reduced refrigerant, and reduced energy usage, making it ENERGY STAR certified. The RD17AZ is also ENERGY STAR Cold Climate certified across all tonnages and is eligible for a federal tax credit up to $2,000. Plus, it's technologically advanced with built-in Bluetooth connectivity for easy system installation and service, EcoNet technology for optimized system performance and remote system control via the EcoNet app, and inverter-driven variable speed technology for precise temperature requirements and advanced humidity control. And it's designed to last, featuring a 10-year conditional parts warranty on all installations. The Ruud Endeavor RD17AZ Universal Heat Pump. It's universal, compact, and advanced.